What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Amazon Pirate. My name is Chris. If you are new here, I make videos that are 5 minutes or less on products I find on Amazon that I think you guys will enjoy. Today's no exception. We're talking about the Ogio Rig 9800 travel bag. And I'm gonna go over some of the reasons why I love this bag and the very, very little reasons why I don't, if any. Stick around, let's get into it. All right, so before we get into likes and very little dislikes, we're gonna go over the outside, inside specs and stuff, okay? So as you can see, the outside, very nice Ogio logo. And if you want, you can write your name here in permanent marker so you know which bag is yours. And then we're gonna go over the sled technology here in just a little bit that I absolutely love. But on the outside, you have one large pocket right here. One large pocket right here. So anything you wanna put in there, travel documents, folders, stuff like that. I think it's too small for a laptop, but just any kind of stuff, anything, whatever you want, right? I usually put my packing list in here so I know exactly where it's at every time. Another nice feature of the outside is the two handles right here that are just nylon, kind of like Molly. It's very good, very sturdy, so whenever you go to pull it off the luggage cart, it's not gonna rip or anything like that. So it gives you a nice good leverage. There's also another one right here, which we'll get into in just a second. Nice padding on the outside. Again, you get a very nice logo, the Ogio logo right here. Nice raised rubber logo. And then you got the model number right here, the Rig 9800. So there is a Rig 9800 Pro, I believe the model is called. And really the only difference with that one is that it comes with dirt bike boots case or cover, carrying case. So you don't put dirty dirt bike boots inside these bags. These bags are targeted for like dirt bikers, golfers, people like that. But obviously anybody can use them. And you'll see when I open it up just how much room you can use inside this. So let's go ahead and twist it around. Again, you get the nice nylon handle here. You got the screws going in to make sure that it's secure. Then you have a telescoping handle right here. So this is what I really want to talk about, is the sled technology. So under here, under the actual bag itself, is very hard plastic. Then you get the nice logo right here. And then the sled technology goes all the way around right here. And so it's gonna protect whatever you have in your bag from the bottom up to about right here. And then this will protect a lot of the area right here. So it's extremely hard and it allows for a lot of good protection for your luggage. Also on the outside, you get two clips, two fasteners, and if you want, you can cinch it down. Some of the specs, it's sitting at about 16 inches high, and this is a rough estimate, 34 inches long, and about 16 inches wide. So you're getting a good sized bag for, I forgot how much it is, but everything will be linked in the description down below if you are curious. One more feature on the outside is that the zipper pretty much does go all the way around. So starting right here, I'm right here at the corner of the sled technology, going all the way around. And you get about 2 feet on this side that doesn't have a zipper. So, all right, so as you can see on the inside, you have multiple pockets up here in the actual flap itself. This is a helmet pocket protector, and if you want, you can take this out, and then you have a lot more room if you're not using it for dirt bike helmets or motorcycle helmets or anything like that. So starting up here, you got a nice mesh pocket up here. If you have anything that you don't want to get, humidity from the flights or anything like that, you put it in here so it can breathe. You got another pocket right here. It goes all the way down to the mesh pocket as well as all the way up here. And then this entire flap is one big pocket. So extra storage in here as well. And dirt bikes would be like gloves, some gear that's dirty or something like that. So that is a nice feature. And you can see just how deep this is. Let's see. About 10 inches deep. And again, we'll do the width or length 33. Width is about 16 inches. So you're getting a lot of storage right here, and I like to travel with my fishing rod, and that goes right in there perfectly. So this is an actual perfect combo for me, and I'm able to fit a lot of clothes. For me, I'm traveling with the US Coast Guard, so I have a lot of uniforms, boots, stuff like that. All right, so real quick, let me go over some likes and one dislike that not a big deal at all. So the likes, multiple pockets. I love the material. I believe it's water resistant, so if it's when you're walking to your hotel or something like that and it's drizzling, you're not gonna get your stuff soaking wet. Another like is the smooth wheels. When I'm walking through the airport, it's not dragging or lagging behind me with that telescoping hood handle and the smooth wheels. It gets that nice little perfect angle. So it's very smooth, and I absolutely love that. And also the packability of it. So being able to put a lot of clothes and uniforms and stuff, like I said, I travel with the US Coast Guard, that's why I'm able to go to all these countries, is with them, and I pack a lot of uniforms, boots, and a lot of clothes to do my touristy stuff while I'm overseas. I would say, if I had to find a dislike, I would say it would be that it weighs 14 pounds. And then I think most airlines are around 50 pounds max before they start charging you, if they don't charge you already. Looking at you, Spirit. Just kidding, don't sue me. I would say it's weighing at 14 pounds, so you're already down 14 pounds with what you can carry. So that would be the only dislike if I had to find one. Some may even say it's a little bit too big. Again, to me, I like to pack a lot of stuff, carry it around, make sure I have everything I need while I'm in country. So that would be my only dislike. But like I said, 5 minutes or less. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, like, subscribe, follow, and let me know if there's any other luggage you guys would like to see, anything like that travel wise. All right, leave a comment down below, affiliate link in below for the Ogio bag. We'll see you guys next week.